Good morning, good morning. I am getting ready to recycle this candle vessel, and I have some water here, and I'm going to turn on my oven. Quick note, the reason I put it in a pot with some water in case this should bust, it's never happened, but you never know, so I like to put this there to house everything just in case. Okay, so it's melted quite a bit. I'm hoping this lifts up. And then it'll be time to clean. I'm just gonna transfer this somewhere. Don't know where yet. But oh, this is so strong I can't. Okay, I removed it. Now, at the bottom, the wick is held with glue. So you're gonna have to jimmy it to get it out. All I'm gonna do is take a paper towel and take out the excess, and then I'm gonna boil water and bring it up to the top. And what that's going to do is the wax will solidify at the top, and then it'll be easier to take out. At the boiling point, you want to add all the water to your vessel. For me. But everything will come up to the surface, and once that's done, I can just scoop that out and clean my vessel. Tip, whatever you do, don't throw this down your drain because it will clog it. You got to throw it outside somewhere. If you can get all of the wax up and all you have is water, then it's okay. But if you have wax still, you cannot throw this down the drain or down your toilet. This is also a good time to remove any labels, as they come off very easy. Okay guys, so we're back. So you see, this is what I was talking about. What I'm gonna do is take this out, and then you can go ahead and wash the vessel. Okay guys, so I have finished cleaning it, as you can see. I just wanted to say, if you have stubborn, like sometimes it has black smoke stain that you can't take out, just grab a little bit of rubbing alcohol, and just wipe it down. Okay guys, so this is another way in which you can use the candle glass vessel. This I had, so I just put the lid on here. If I wanted to, I can always glue the lid to this base. But I don't think that I'm gonna do that in case I wanna use it with another base. The one with the garlic, however, I will not glue because this base is marble and it's extremely heavy. What I am going to do is probably use a magnet. Let me show you. Oh my God, this is heavy. I'm gonna use a magnet that I'm gonna place in here. It's gotta be high enough that it can catch this. This way, this won't move. However, if I wanted, the reason why I wanted to do this one that way is because this is so heavy. So if I wanted to take it off to wash it or whatever, I don't have to take this whole thing with me. So that's the reason why I am choosing to do magnet. You can use other bases for it if you have it, up to you. But this is what I am doing. And I just wanted to show you how I do it. There are a lot of beautiful candle out there that come in really beautiful glass vessels that you can just use for an array of things. I will even use this probably in the bathroom to display my hand towels too. That's another way of using it. But I just wanted to share this with you guys and hope you give this a try.